Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today we are here in the city of Henderson, in a mass planned community called Cadence. And the name of this neighborhood is called Arioso. Now we just got done touring the Boston model. Today we're going to be focusing on the Chicago model. Now if you haven't had a chance to view the Boston model, I would highly suggest you check that out. Also, if you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chuck Crusoe with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. The only realtor in Las Vegas that's going to educate you on the process of purchasing a home, tips and tricks to look out for on building a home out here in Las Vegas. We also have a real estate and financing podcast every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we educate you on financing and real estate. And we also put a lot of vlogs and collaborations, and our channel has to do with everything with real estate. So 67% of you that have been tuning into this channel have not had a chance yet to subscribe to the channel. I would highly recommend you subscribe. So as you can see, we do have the Boston and the Chicago. We're going to focus on the Chicago model. You got the Boston that's attached to the Chicago here. You have a center wall. You have a two-car garage right here. Let's take a look here. You do have some nice cladding in the front here. Now there's about 3 different elevations that you can actually pick from. Lot premiums are going to run you from $0 to about $7,000. You have 125 lots, roughly about 75 lots are available. The good news on this is that you don't have to sit here and wait. The downfall on this is that you don't have a driveway, right? So you literally can only park 2 cars inside your garage. However, I will also want you to think about this. This is more for the first-time home buyers. You got your power box, you got your D-Mart here. I know it's a little bit windy, so we're gonna go inside. Oh man. Gotta move the mic here. We're just gonna come on this side here. Here we go. Let's get out of the wind for a second. So basically this is going to be the front of your home. You're going to have nothing but a path coming down this way. Another home facing in front of you. Not bad. Alright. Cute little, small little patio here. Let's go inside. See what this one has to offer. It's almost like the same thing, almost like as far as like the layout, right? So this one right here is on 1,520 square feet. It's about 20 square feet bigger. And the base price, the starting price on here, believe it or not, is the same price. Okay. So let's take a look at the kitchen here. Oh, before I do that, I do want to mention it is a 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Okay. You have a quartz countertop with a 1-inch face. However, that is not standard. That would be an upgrade. You will get granite countertops. Okay. Some maple kitchen color cabinets. 4-inch on the backsplash. And you're going to get some ceramic tile on the flooring. Typically, it's going to be the 18 by 18 in the wet areas, okay? But that could also change too as well. So you do have some great cabinets. These are just some standard shakers. So the cabinet styles that you see here, I believe is the standard cabinets without the handrails. But it's going to be a maple color. The appliances, you're going to get GE appliances, but they're going to be black appliances the way it looks right here. However, you're not going to get a refrigerator. Let's take a look at some of these drawers here. Okay, I mean, you gotta understand, this is not gonna be your top-notch grade, but what you get for the money, it is what it is. You got your dual basin sink. Let's take a look at here. We got our little dining. Now these type of homes are more like starter homes, so just keep that in mind. Okay. You got some laminate flooring here, some wood-like. Not bad, right? I haven't had a chance to check this pantry. Let's take a look at this pantry. Okay. You have a nice 6-foot slide. Let's open this thing up. See what we got here. We got a Goodman air conditioning unit, 16 SEER. Wow, this is strange. Energy rating efficiency. This one right here, it looks like it says rated for 14 SEER, but on my piece of paper that I'm looking at, it says that you get a 16 SEER, so you need to double check that. That takes you back out to the back side of the garage there. You'll definitely get your cable outlet right here, orange peel texture. You're gonna get your standard two-tone paint. I'm gonna sit down here for just a second. I'm gonna just enjoy the air conditioning. You're gonna get a 9-foot ceiling standard, okay? The air conditioning unit, you're gonna have basically a control thermostat here downstairs and one also upstairs. Right above here, what we have is actually our doorbell, and this is actually for our alarm. Okay. Coming into the half bath. Two panel doors. This is our 2-car garage. Okay. But I want to see what type of. Oh, so this is great. It's actually a true 2-car garage. Like that. And take a look at this. You got a tankless water heater. You have a Remy, which is great. And this is where you're going to put your soft water, so you have enough room for that. It's cool. And some extra tile. It's like, nope, you don't get the extra tile. Now, sometimes the builders will leave you some extra tile, some paint inside the garage. Make sure to request that. Now we have some closet space underneath the staircase. Now let's take ourselves upstairs and see what's going on upstairs. Now also keep in mind the CKG group. We don't only focus on high-end homes, $1 million homes. We also do homes $250,000, $300,000. Now I can tell you this by looking at this texture. Here, these are the things that you need to look out for. Wood texture is very hard, okay? And what I mean by that is this. Once you lay down the texture one time, that's the finished product. That's the perfect texture that you can get. When you start cutting up holes, you can see, right, the transition where they repatched it. It will never be the same unless you have some guy that's good. Alright, what do we have here? Love the windows. This window right here. Oh, look at that strip view. It's gorgeous, right? This one has 4-can lighting. Ceiling fan pre-wired. That would be an upgrade. I believe with this package, with this builder, with this package, I believe it's about $450 a room. Cheaper to get the package versus on a single. You got your 1-in-1 here. I don't know if they're using Cat 6 now, but last time we did a deal with them on the build was Cat 5. You got this railing here. This would be just a pony wall. That would be an upgrade. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Upgraded on the tile. Tub shower combo. You have a nice soap box there. Love how they tiled that to the top. And there we go. You got closets on both sides. Oh, here's our laundry room. Double stacked. I mentioned in my previous video. Find out if they got a drain pan here. Definitely would request a drain pan if you can. But it looks like they probably don't. It's not required by code, which is it's like it's very baffling to me. It's a pretty decent sized room. 9-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors. Typically with this builder, if you upgrade on the ceilings, I'm sorry, the ceilings, you automatically upgrade it on the doors. Let's go into the primary here. What's funny is I read a comment the other day, and there's a video that I was shooting. It was one that I recently posted. I walked into the primary, but I was calling it the master. But now, politically correct, right? You gotta say primary. For me, it's not a big deal. I'm like, yeah, primary. If you guys want to call it primary, we just call it primary. Some guy made a comment, right? And basically said, I'm a liberal. And I'm like, alright, well, relax, man. It's ridiculous. This is not what this channel is about. This ain't red or blue. Like, I don't give a crap about that. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to just do video tours. Oh, they gotta do this right here. Texture. Looks like something happened. They had to resand it, retexture it. So my point is, guys, stop taking things so serious. You know what I'm saying? It's like, why always gotta make this a political thing? Nothing's political. Everybody just has their own opinion. Who cares? Relax. Don't sweat the small stuff. People always do that for some reason. HOAs here are $40 a month for the master. Another $40. Okay. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. Can you see yourself living here? I mean, this is a great starter home. But I'm telling you, man, the price is getting pretty expensive out here in Vegas. And another person made a comment. Why is it realtors always tell you it's always a good time to buy? I had to put this guy in chin check for a second. Like, not on this channel. We just tell you how it is. We never tell you it's a good time to buy. On this channel, no, 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 no. You make the decision if it's a good time to buy for you or not. Everybody's circumstances and financial situation is completely different from somebody else's. There's no wrong or right answer on when you should buy. Figure that out on your own. That's the answer. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. That's right. Okay? Don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. I'm Chuck Crusoe with Simply Vegas. And have a blessed day.